Did you know that this little kitchen herb could actually grow your natural hair, fight dandruff, and calm an itchy scalp? I'm talking about oregano. Yes, the same one you use in your food. I'm going to show you how to use it for real hair growth, scalp care, and overall hair health. You can use the fresh oregano, you can use the dried oregano. Hello, welcome to Otis Place. It's good to have you on the channel. On this channel, we make videos on everything natural hair growth, scalp care, DIY treatments. So if you're on a healthy hair journey, this is the place for you. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can use oregano for your hair growth. The first we're going to be making is oregano rinse or tea for your hair. I'm going to put two 250 ml cups on fire. I let the water boil properly. When it boils, I turn it off. Then I put in 1.5 tablespoons of dried oregano. I let this sit until it cools completely. When it cools completely, I strain it. You want to strain it because I don't want any particles in my hair. We strain it and use it as a hair rinse after you shampoo your hair. Just pour it over your scalp and hair. Massage it and leave it in the hair. You can pour it in the spray bottle and use it as a daily hair spritz. You can add a little bit of aloe vera juice. It soothes the scalp and promotes hair growth while keeping your hair fresh between wash days. It's very effective in keeping your hair clean. You can store this in the fridge for up to 7 days. Now let's discuss why oregano deserves a place in your hair routine. It's packed with antioxidants, it has vitamin K, it has antibacterial properties. Oregano helps to improve blood circulation, meaning more nutrients reach your hair follicles. It helps to fight dandruff and scalp infections, especially if you deal with flakes and buildup. It helps to balance oil so your scalp stays clean but not dry. So whether your hair is breaking, your scalp itchy, or you just want that extra growth boost, oregano can help with all of it. The next thing I'm going to be making is oregano oil. Put 1.5 tablespoons of dried oregano in a glass jar. I'm using sweet almond oil for this. Feel free to use any oil you have. If you have coconut oil or you have olive oil, you can make use of them. I'm going to put 1 cup of oil into the jar. I'll transfer this into a pot of already boiling water. I'm not boiling it. I'm just using the double boiler method. I've turned off the heat, so the water is very hot. I'm leaving the jar to sit there in the water for at least 30 minutes just to start the infusion process. After taking it out of the water, I store it in a dark place for at least 2 weeks. Strain it, and you can use your oil on your scalp. You can even use it as a hot oil treatment. You can massage into scalp 3 times a week to see best results. Now let's keep it real. Herbs like oregano don't work overnight, but they do work when you're consistent. You'll notice your scalp feels cleaner, less itchy, and over time your roots start feeling thicker. Here are a few tips so you get the best results. Always dilute oregano essential oils if you are using essential oil, because your essential oil is really powerful. Just a few drops per tablespoon of carrier oil will do. Always do a patch test first. Some people's skin is sensitive to oregano, so do a patch test before you use it. Store your infused oil in a cool, dark place so it doesn't lose its strength. Don't mix too many herbs at once. Stick to 2 to 3 powerful ones so that your scalp does not get overwhelmed. So, yeah, oregano is a scalp superhero. It's not just for food. If you're serious about growing your natural hair, keeping your scalp clean and healthy, give this a try and thank me later. If you've watched something and you're not giving this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that anytime videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section, do you use oregano? Have you used it before? What has been your experience? Please share with us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a blessed day. Bye.